Wonders shall never end, my people. The one where the Lagos State Commissioner they do now, they even shock me. I hear say this man don't begin go they destroy people livelihood and business. Say what he's saying, bring out one operation, in pass out operation, and person will give this command na Commander Hakim, Mr. Hakim Odumoso. That one at the Lagos State Commissioner. See, I ain't give out in boys, may they go raid. Any Okada where they see, may they seize them. All these people be said they run their business, may they seize them. Now fine and good. On they seize this bike on top of waiting with the crimes that these people commit. Now instead of allowing these people to come back and claim their bike, now not gonna know what these people decide to do. They come pack all these bikes together now, go they destroy them. They talk saying they won't destroy and they no go give them out back to people. I beg, which kind of life be this? But for my people who never even say this one, they can follow me watch.
Osha. Osha.
But in order just to alleviate the members in public and to convince them that we don't sell the Okada that we found back. And to let them know that we shall continue to crush the Okada as long as we get them on the restricted routes so far. So that's why we're fighting this morning now to see this. You see how the machine works now? We do all the video recording now, how they pick the Okada inside the machine.
I beg, no be wickedness be this one. Because I don't know why you go to use your church mind to do something. Waiting there, okay, fine and good. Or I no get papers for this bike. I be something there, on I know say I won't ban, but on I announce them first. Before I begin go, they attack all these people. On I just they show us to us say, on I no get mine, na they heartless. Now you got the claim saying, on I won't show the world saying, if I seize bike, on I know they sell them. On I they Toria, I beg, the ones one I don't sell, we know. Because they very certain, say, all these bike where they, now bike where they don't, in fact, we don't even worst, where they don't keep down. They good and they need to, on I don't sell them. Just because on I won't prove some point, they say nobody understand. And I won't come outside, they show all these banjo things. Say now waiting on assist from people. But I beg, after this one, when I do now, waiting on I can't get. Now, question was supposed to ask. Because I know say this Okada work, now some people they use as their normal business. Fine, if say now they even arrest people because on feel okay, their Okada, you don't too old, you know they what they get today for road. I go understand. I be person where you see with stolen bike, you see some, that one fine and good, I no go follow you dragon. But this one, innocent people be say they do their business. Because of our settlement, small money, 50-50 naira settlement, we be say they no give them. You know, I can't decide on a 1-6% by go put a inside in a custody. Say if they no come pay one kind big money, and I no go release. And true, on I no release them. On a part this thing, I don't know when I carry and go. And I say na they go. Now why thieves they plenty? Because if you not take away people livelihood, on I no keep work down for them to do. They find money buy Okada, begin do business again, and I can't decide say na one the season. So if thieves begin attacking, make na no complain because sometimes now they cause all this kind of thing. And now they forget so because now get uniform, now one they behave. And they forget say one day so and I go put this thing. If they come start to the maltreat on, they misbehave to now they complain saying they no favor on now. My people now this one now here now see make a thing and come. Soon now they go on a short break, but before then make now stay tuned for our next story. Since the shell my people, inside Jigawa State, I hear say police don't arrest 78 men over the rape of small children where they sell market inside their streets. And based on what I find out, I gotta say these men they go call these children. Say they won't buy market to any pikin wey just do mistakes. Okay, carry market go meet them. Before you go see, they don't drag this pikin enter his house, go rape am. And our business now where these people they do inside Jigawa State. My people never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Peddle their wares under a constant fear of being knocked down by a vehicle or being raped. Their fears are not unfounded, as the Jigawa State Police Public Relations Officer, ASP Lawal Shisu, in a statement says the police has arrested 78 suspects for raping minors. But the parents of the victims say it is difficult to get justice for their children.
manyan gari suka ce ba za an kahe magana ba za a yi magana a nan ba yan sanda suka zuciya su ma suka ce to su ma sun kori kara nan dai da sana Allah sana annabi suka tura mu kyawu muka je mu DPO he muna zaune mun je gurin DPO aka bugo DPO waya kashe maganan nan.
I only wish justice will take place. Justice should take place because of course this is the only thing that can at least make somebody who has such kind of problem at least to have a little bit peace of mind on his heart.
The Attorney General and the Commissioner of Justice, Dr. Musa Adamu, says crimes involving minors are difficult to prosecute.
The most difficult thing is that most of the victims that are minors, sometimes they could not be able to speak. There are problems of identification of the suspect sometimes. And also because of the challenge of lapse of time. And sometimes these young girls, they even used to forget some of the things that happened to them. And they are key witnesses. But despite the challenge we have been trying, we have secured some convictions. And also, as you know, that there are some cases which we lost. And there are some which we even went to Court of Appeal. One of the issues which we challenge before the Court of Appeal is the issue of sentencing.
This one, they very heartbreaking to me. Because I don't see why a grown-up man, go see anybody to rape again, now small children. And they pay me for the fact that these people never even get the justice where they want. Because what can I see? Even the woman, they complain, say, okay, fine, and we should go report to police. She first go report to the king elder. Say that they're raping Pikin. The man say, the king say make it leave him. I beg, Mr. King, if now your Pikin, you go agree. This woman can't even go report to police. The rapist still get mind. Carry phone, they call the head of police here and make him leave the case. He said, "I me be that police officer." Plus the rapist, plus the king of that, all of them will sleep inside jail. Because now that they encourage all this kind of thing, he dey very certain say that king said now so they rape people children. Because if say now your own Pikin, and children what they talk about, not be even children of like 18 years old, 15 years and below. Now these people go call say they want to put that their big bowl on top of them. And this one is something where they inside not, they very, very common. And I'm even surprised because now they carry Allah put for head pass. Now they pray pass, now they even Sharia law they on top for. But if they commit all this kind of crime, all those things, you know where this law pass. But if say na be a matter, law go come. But when they rape people children, they no go remember say they get law. They go still they commit this thing until if person no can catch them, they no go do anything. In fact, it sweet me say they catch this 78. But now how this matter go end, now the matter go be. Because if you not listen where they won't talk say they get cases about 150. But last now only 50 now even go through. It means that these people they pay their way out. They never get person where they fall the people say go fight for them, these people. And some parents I don't understand them. Because I know say fine and good, some children they fear to tell their parents say they rape them. But I feel say some of these parents they look and say because they go marry them early, if they rape them na experience, now why they no won't go outside go to talk. It don't make sense. Because say if you give your Pikin better living, that will not mean say go just useless the Pikin. They allow men to do them anyhow. So hopefully all these people waiting for this. If you know say any baba be anybody where you know say okay, he don't rape your Pikin, he go there very good make you go report. Because such kind of person you not supposed to work free. Because if you not go report them, they go continue to do them. Now why I come as and can't talk this one. Anyways, my people now here I will take break on this matter. Soon I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, make now stay tuned for our next story.